In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Swing Swing by the All-American Rejects off of their self-titled debut album, The All-American Rejects. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Swing Swing was your favorite All-American Rejects song, and let's dive in. This song is in standard tuning, and after an opening organ part, the guitar is going to kick in with this. So we're going to be starting with a G chord, a big G chord in this case. So for those unfamiliar, that's the 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, open, 4th, 3rd, and then you have 3rd fret, 2nd string, and 3rd fret, 1st string. Okay, big G chord. And the rhythm for this section is going to be 2 hits followed by 1. Sounds like this. So we have down, up, down. And we're muting in between those hits. So when you go down, up, you mute with your right hand and then strum down. The next chord is going to be this D suspended 4th shape with an F sharp in the bass. So what we have is 2nd fret, 6th string, muted 5th, open 4th, and then we have 2nd fret 3rd, 3rd fret 2nd, 3rd fret 1st. Okay, so we go from the G, same pattern here, and then we'll go to this E minor shape, keeping the pinky and ring finger down. Same rhythm. And then we go to the C add 9. Okay, C add 9, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, open 3rd, and then pinky and ring finger still down in the 3rd frets. So all together, that intro guitar looks like this. We'll play it twice through. And then the whole band will kick in at this point. The first guitar will keep playing those same chords. We'll just be playing 8th notes now, so it'll sound like this. And a second guitar will kick in with power chords. So the second guitar will be playing the power chords instead of the full open chords. So we'll be starting on the G power chord, then we'll go up to the D power chord, then to the E power chord, and then the C power chord. And it'll be playing 8th notes as well. And now we're into the verse. The verse is going to be this simple chord over and over again. So we think about the big G chord. What we're going to do is ignore strings 4, 5, and 6, and we're just going to play the first 3 strings. Same rhythm as the intro. Okay, I'm playing this with my pinky and my ring finger. You can play it with your first finger barred or your second finger barred, however you want to play it. Just repeats this throughout the verse. And then the pre-chorus sounds like this. So we're into the pre-chorus, and we're going to be palm muting power chords. We start on the G power chord, eighth notes with the right hand, then down to the E, and then to the C. And then we repeat, 2 bars here on the G, 1 bar on the E, 1 bar on the C. And to finish the pre-chorus, there'll be 2 guitar parts. The rhythm guitar is going to play these chords. So we have 2nd fret, 5th string, and then 5th fret, 4th string. And then it just slides up to the C power chord. So 3rd fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string. And it's just going to let those ring out. And then right before we hit the chorus, you'll hit that 3 times, and then we'll kick into the chorus. While the rhythm guitar is playing that pre-chorus part, there's another clean guitar that'll kick in with this. So a clean guitar will come in with this part. I'll play it once through. So what I'm doing there is I'm playing an open 3rd string, then 3rd fret, 2nd string, back to open 3rd string, and then I'm playing 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and then finishing that little run there on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So it sounds like this, slow. And then to finish that section, we'll repeat part of that. So the intro here is the same. At this point, I'll go 2nd string, and then I'll put my pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 1st and hit that note last. So altogether, that part sounds like this. And now we're into the chorus. The chorus is going to be the exact same part as we played at the beginning. It's the 8th note section that sounds like this. So one guitar is playing these open chord shapes, and then the 2nd guitar is playing the power chords. So we'll play through that part, and then another verse and another chorus, and we're into the solo. I'll play through the solo one time here. So let's break that down note by note. So we start on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, slide up to the 15th fret, hit it a 2nd time, then the 13th fret, 12th fret, hit the 12th fret a 2nd time, 13th fret, and then we jump over to the 12th fret of the 3rd string. What we do from here is reach up with the pinky to the 15th fret of the 1st, back to the 12th of the 3rd, then we jump over to the 12th fret of the 1st string, hammer on 14, release to 12, and then we do this 12, 12, hammer on 13, and 15. So far we have this slow. From here, we go 15th fret of the 2nd, 13, 12, 15, 12, 15. So it sounds like this. Then 13, and then 12 of the 3rd string. Then what I do here is lay my index finger flat so I can play the 12th fret of the 2nd, then back to the 12th of the 3rd, and then it ends with that little run. That's 3 hits, 14th fret of the 3rd, 3 hits, 12th fret of the 2nd, and then 2 hits, 13th fret of the 2nd. So let's play through the whole solo slow. And now we're into the bridge. The bridge will sound like this. So we'll be down at an E power chord. We'll hit that twice. Then we hit 2nd fret, 6th string, 5th fret, 5th string. And then what we'll do is we'll kick in with a clean guitar here and play a G bar chord and then a C add 9 chord. So far the bridge is this. The rhythm guitar will repeat that part. And while he's doing that, after these hits, second guitar will kick in with this. So that's 8th fret, 2nd string, 1 hit, 2 hits on the 7th, then roll over to the 7th fret of the 3rd, 2 hits, and then 9th fret. So after this, he comes in with this. And then after this hit, he'll play this part. So that's 12th fret, 2nd string, 2 hits on the 10th, then the 11th fret of the 3rd, 2 hits, and then 12. And then the bridge section ends by just playing this C power chord. You can gradually crescendo into it, and then we kick into the last chorus. Were the All-American Rejects the best pop punk band? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.